This is the video recording for Lab 1, the audio part. There are two files to this lab as well. The first one is generating white noise, and the second one is importing sound files into your program. So the first one, if I didn't change anything, it will sound like this. Just white noise. And if I want to change the volume to make it sound louder, I just change the range of the randomness to a bigger range. Okay, now I want to fade it. The way I'm going to do it is to define another variable called fade and set it to 0.001. And every time draw gets called, fade will be added by 0.001 until if fade is bigger than 0.1, then fade will always be 0.1 to make the randomness to be 0. After doing that, hopefully, the white noise will fade out. Yep. Okay, so this is the first file. Now on to the second one. This one is adjusted already. I've done something else to the original example code. So this is what it will look like now. Right? There's a soundboard. So the original code with the original sound file, it will sound like this. Okay, if I play it backward, and both playing forward and backward at the same time. Okay, let's go to the code part. In order to play forward, backward, and two files at the same time, I'll go to that part of the code first. Okay, so playing forward is having the read head set to 0 first, and every time the for loop is being run, the read head will be added by 1. Whereas if play it backward, the read head will be set to the length of audio data, and every time for loop has been running, the read head 2 will be taken away by 1, and when it hits 0, it will set back to audio data length again. And the way I played two music files at the same time is to place two different files. Well, not different because I'm using the same sound file, but one is with read head and one is with read head 2. So I place what is on read head to one buffer, and the next buffer I'll replace something by the other read head, and then the next will be placed by the other. So here, as you can see, buffer I is read head 2, then buffer I plus 1 is read head, and I will be added by 2, and then it will be read head 2 again, and read head after read head 2, so that you can listen to two files at the same time. Okay, so for the soundboard, I had a variable named track, and it's being set to 0 first. So in the generate audio out function, there will be 3 cases and the default case. So if none of the 3 cases match, it will go to default, which will do nothing. So that's why when you start the program, there's no sound coming out from it. But when you click on forward the black box, the track will change to 1, so which matches case 1, and it will be played forward like this. Yep. So if I click on this black box of backward, track number will be changed into 2. So that's being played backward. And for both, track number will change into 3. Okay, so that's how my soundboard works. Generally, I just use the mouse click to check the boundaries of the mouse, if it's in the mouse, or if it's in the square, and which square it is. So if it's the first one, then I'll change track to 1, the second one track to 2, and the third one track to 3. So every time I click the box, it will switch between playing forward, backward, or playing both at the same time. And this is basically my second file for Lab 1 audio part.